Hello guys, I'm Rakseng. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is gonna about turn white color into any color in Photoshop. Please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. So let's get right into the video. First, select the object. You can use quick selection tool for that. To be more precise on selection, you can zoom in the object. Now add a solid color. Select any color you want. Now change blend mode to multiply. Then make a curve adjustment layer. Select solid color layer and curve adjustment layer. Make a group of them. To make a group, you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z. Now open the group. Select the mask, drop it on the group. Then select the curve adjustment layer. Select the hand tool. Make dark areas darker and bright areas brighter. Now you can change any color you want. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.